This is the English Literature Web YouTube channel. I am Prof.L.B. Gayakawad is teaching today the summarization, that is the part 2. The summarization is the process of shortening, that is the lessening, a set of data or paragraph. So remember, when we are going to summarize the particular paragraph or the particular set of the data, then we apply there the shortening. It means that we shorten that particular paragraph or that particular set of the data. Means that set or that original paragraph is shortened or is lessened by us, means we lessen or shorten that particular paragraph. So it is called the summarization. And the summarization is also called the automatic summarization. So summarization is the process which is the shortcut process, means we do the smallest form of the particular original paragraph in the new form of the summarized paragraph, that is called the summarization. Out of these shortening, the process creates a subset, that is the sub-paragraph, to give the relevant information. So when we do the summarization or when we do the summary of the original paragraph or the original data, then the process creates there the subset. Subset means what? The new paragraph or the new set, or the sub-paragraph means a new paragraph or the small paragraph, to give the relevant information. Because remember, when that original paragraph is there, that original paragraph is the biggest paragraph, and when we summarize the original paragraph in the form of the new paragraph, then that new paragraph is the relevant information. Because when we summarize the original paragraph, we summarize it with the relevant information. Means what is there relevant is taken by us, means we take only the relevant, proper, then important ideas, important sentences, important phrases we select, and this is called the relevant information. So remember, the summarization is nothing but it is the relevant information also. The text, the paragraphs, the images and the videos can be summarized. Means remember, we can summarize or we can do the summary of the text, the paragraphs, the images and the particular videos. When we go to summarize the text, the most informative sentences are selected. Remember here, the main point is that when the particular person is going to summarize the original paragraph, then what happens? We go to summarize the text. Means we go into the text and then we see the particular meaning of the text. We see the main ideas of the text, or we see the gist of the text, and the most informative essence or sentences are selected. Means we select the most important sentences there. But when we select the most important sentences, we summarize those sentences in our own words, and that is called the summarization. So summarization is nothing but the new formation from the original paragraph. When there is the summarization, the most representative images are studied. Remember, in the original paragraph, there are the images which are very much selective, which are very much important images, and those images are selected by us, or we should select those images when we are doing our summarization. That is the main point, means the images should be selected. In the video summarization, means when we are going to summarize the video, then in such video summarization, the most significant frames from the video content are chosen or selected. Means we select the particular significant, important, or the necessary or the valuable frames from the particular video, and that is called the summarization of the video. Then in the extraction method of summarization, the content is extracted, that is selected forcibly from the original data. Remember, there is the original data, there is the original paragraph, there is the original particular passage, and from that original passage we select the content forcibly. Forcibly means there is the selection of us which is called forcibly, means we have to select on our interest, means we have to use our eye, we have to use our mind, we have to use our talent, and that is the talent which is forcibly, means we should not think, or we should not I will say lag behind while doing that summarization. We should not be confused by that content. All these things are very important, and that's why the content is extracted, that is selected forcibly from the original data. But the extracted content, that is the information, is not modified though we tried. Means it should not be modified. It means what? There should not be any kind of modification, means there should not be any kind of changes in the particular meaning, means the meaning of the new paragraph, means the summarized paragraph and original paragraph, uh, there should not be any kind of difference, or there should not be any kind of meaning change, and that's why here there should not be the modification. The key phrases are the examples of the extracted content, means when we are doing the summarization, we should select the key phrases. We should select the key phrases. Key phrases means what? The important words, the important sentences we should select from that original paragraph, and that key phrases are the particular examples of the extracted content, means they are very much useful for the summarization. The key phrases can be used to tag, means to link or to provide the text document or key sentences. So remember, here the explanation goes on that the key phrases can be used, means when there are the key phrases, just we saw these key phrases can be used, means are used to tag, means to link or to provide the text document, means we provide there the document of the text, means what is the original text, that text document we have to provide to, or the key sentences we have to select from the original document or the original paragraph, and which we should make the particular summarization in this way, that collectively include an abstract, means that abstract or that summarization should be the collection properly, means the new summarized collective paragraph and the original paragraph, they should be very true, very honest in the sense of the meaning. And representative images or video segments should be there, and with the video parts or segments or the images should be properly used there when we are going to summarize the particular paragraph. And such type of summarization will be called the ideal summarization. Remember, in the abstraction summarization, the text is applied or used, means we use there the text, or we apply, or we take there the text for the particular utility. Abstraction may transform the extracted content by paraphrasing sections of the source paragraph. Remember, when we are doing the particular summarization, we do there the paraphrase, means the paraphrase is very important. The summarization is called the paraphrase, means we make the paraphrase there, means we prepare the paragraph with the phrases there, that is called the paraphrase. And that paraphrase is the particular shortening, lessening or shortcut form of the original paragraph. So that is called the particular summarization. Abstraction is more difficult than extraction. Remember, the abstraction and the extraction are the two different procedures while we do the automatic or the summarization, automatic summarization or the summarization. These are the difficult things, but the abstraction is more difficult than the extraction, because the paragraph is more knowledgeable and it is challenging to understand, because that topic, that original topic, is very difficult to understand. And that's why here abstraction means selecting the particular procedure of summarization is very difficult than the extraction. That is called, means extraction means what? The study, I will say, means when we are doing that particular study, and while we are doing that particular study and we are selecting the particular ideas from the original passage or the paragraph, that thing is very much difficult, and that's why the summarization is also very difficult, because there is the paragraph, and that paragraph is full of the knowledge. And that's why, because of that knowledge, because of that particular originality of the knowledge, that paragraph is very difficult to understand. So the summarization on the part of the summarizer is very difficult, I will say. Paraphrasing is more difficult to apply to images and videos. Means when we are going to make the summarization of the images or the videos, then it is very much difficult for us to make the paraphrase of the particular images and the videos. Why? Because it becomes very difficult to make the paraphrasing of the particular images and the videos. Here today we have finished the particular summarization topic, part 2. Again we will come in front of each other with a new topic. Till then we will stop. Thank you very much.